This is purely going to be a practice for you to how to use the calculator while finding the root through the iterative formula. Okay, so if you look at this formula, this is xn plus 1, this is xn. So if you have n as 1, as you have here, x1 is 1.5, so automatically this value will be x2. So to find x2, there has to be a sequence of the values now. So to find this x2, what you need to do is you need to use this x1. Okay, so now you will be writing all of this in your calculator like this. This is always write this value of x in brackets, because later on this has to be replaced with the answer. Okay, this is 1 over 1.5. I'll be keeping that in the brackets. Okay, now so I have my calculator in front of me, so I'll be writing first of all, I'll go into the fraction mode. I'll write 6 and 7 in the denominator. Then I'll be using the brackets. And in the brackets, I'll write 1.5. And then plus, again, I'll go into the fraction mode. There is 1, and then in the denominator, I have 1.5 cube. And I'll write this 1.5 in the brackets here. Okay. So there is a cube on it, and then I close down the brackets. Okay. So now I press the equal button here, and what do I get? I'm getting a fraction, but I'll be writing this as a this is 1.5397. Please mute your mics, beta. Okay. Then this is the step here where you have to change this 1 over 1.5 with the answer. Okay, we'll go back using the back button. You'll go into this expression that you have just written down and change this 1.5 with the answer. Okay, so I'm going back. I'll go back. There is the 1.5 into the brackets. I'll delete this. I press the answer button there, and then again I go to this one. I delete this 1.5. So there are two substitutions here, and I just press this equal button here, and I get this as 1.5546. Now, from now onwards, you only have to press the equal button. Okay, the answer will automatically take its place there. Now this is going to be 1.5606. Okay. And then I have x5. I just press the equal button again. This is 1.5632. 1.5632. And then I have again 1.5643. 1.56. I'll keep on doing this until I have all these 4 decimal places converging to one value. 1.5647. 1.5647. Okay, 1.5649. Then I have 1.5650. Come on, oh, it's taking so long. 5650. And I have x10. This is 1.5651. x11. Yeah, now this has converged here. I'm getting all these digits same. So finally, to give the answer correct to 2 decimal places, is 1.57. So this is how you use your calculator to find the solution through the iterative formula. Okay.